Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to generate replies for Google Business Profile reviews using Gemini and notify team on Google Chat. So here I am managing a huge restaurant chain and I'm promoting my business with the help of Google Business Profile. Now, because the customer feedback is very important for my business, so my objective is that whenever a customer is going to send a review or the feedback for my business with the help of Google Business Profile, then automatically a reply for that feedback should be generated with the help of Gemini and it should be posted on that same review for the customer. Apart from this, I also want to send the same review and the feedback which I have received from the customer to my team members on Google Chat space. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to build the connection between all these applications, and that we are going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you also want to learn this amazing automation for your business step by step, for that you have to come towards my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you how to automatically reply to the reviews or the feedbacks which we are receiving on Google Business Profile for our business, and how to automatically notify our team members on Google Chat space regarding the reviews which we are receiving. So over here I am managing a huge restaurant chain and I'm promoting my business with the help of Google Business Profile. My objective is that as soon as I'm going to receive a new review or the customer feedback on Google Business Profile along with the ratings, I want to inform the ratings as well as a review to my team members on Google Chat space, to my marketing team, as well as I also want to send a personalized reply to that review so that the customer could be engaged and I will be able to satisfy the customers more. Alright, now to automate this entire process, I will have to build the connection between Google Business Profile, Gemini, with the help of which I am going to generate the reply for each of the reviews, and Google Chat space. So that I am going to do without any coding and programming skills, simply with the help of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which helps us to automate all of our repetitive tasks without the requirement of any coding and any programming skills. So let's get started quickly. Currently, we are on the home page of Pabbly Connect, where we can reach by tapping the URL pabbly.com/connect in our browser. After coming over here, we will find two options: sign in and sign up for free. In case if you are already an existing user, just click on sign in to log into your account. But if you are a new user, you have to click on this sign up for free button. It will create a free new account for you just in 2 minutes. Also, when you will do that, you are going to receive 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. So as an existing user, currently I am going to click on sign in. Now this is all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create our automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. On our dashboard, we will find all the workflows which we have created. And to save the same workflows, we can also create different kind of folders over here. Now to create a new workflow, we are going to click on this create workflow option. A dialog box is appeared in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to the workflow. So first of all, let us give a name over here. Auto reply to Google Business Reviews and notify team via Google Chat. After giving the name to my workflow, I'm going to select the folder. So you can see I have a list of folders over here. Among these folders, I am going to select a specific folder which I have created with the name as social media automations to save this workflow, and then I'm going to click on create. And as we have done that, a new screen is open in front of us. The screen contains a blank workflow with two extremely important windows. Here we have trigger and actions. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts, the principles, or we can say these are the building blocks on which the entire automation runs. The trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. So whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can add as many action steps as we want. Now, let's suppose my objective is that whenever a new review is received from Google Business Profile for my restaurant chain, then automatically a reply should be generated for that same review with the help of Gemini. So let's say I'm going to take Google Business Profile in trigger and Google Gemini in action. When we are going to build the connection between these applications, we will clearly see that action is going to follow what the trigger commands. Because when the review is received from Google Business Profile, then only the reply for that review will be generated from Gemini, otherwise not. After understanding the whole concept of trigger and action, let us quickly start creating our automation step by step. To start with the workflow, first of all, we will select our trigger application, and that will be Google Business Profile. So let's select that. After selecting the application, the next thing we have to select is the trigger event. Now, trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to trigger or it is going to start. We have new review as our trigger event. Okay, because our objective is that whenever a new review will be received on Google Business Profile for our business, then we want to capture the response of that review inside Pabbly Connect with all the details of the user who has submitted the review. Okay, so let's click on connect. For building the connection, you have to log into your Google Business Profile account and you have to select one of the options given over here. Add new connection and select existing connection. If you already have an existing connection, just go with that. But to create a new connection, you will go towards add new connection and you will click on sign in with Google. Over here, you need to select your account. And now Pabbly Connect is asking us for the permission to access our Google Business Profile account. Our data is 100% safe with Pabbly Connect. So let's click on continue. And as we have done that, the authorization has become successful and the connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect is also built. So now you have to first of all select the account, which is already selected in my case. Then you have to select the location name. I have two over here, Flavor Fusion and Parampara. So I'm going to select Parampara over here because this is the name of my business. Then when I'm going to click on save and send test request button, we are going to receive the response. But before moving forward, I will have to tell you one more thing, that Google Business Profile is based on 1 hour of polling time. You can see 1 hour is given in front of the name of the application. The polling time is the time which Pabbly Connect is going to take for capturing the new response every time. Because we have 1 hour of polling time for Google Business Profile. This means that now whenever a new review will be posted on our business on Google Business Profile, after 1 hour the response of that new review will be captured inside Pabbly Connect. So currently, in order to capture the new response, first of all we have to go and post a review over here. Then we have to click on save and send test request button. Otherwise, we will receive the response of the latest or the last review which was posted on our account. So over here I have opened my account and I have searched my business. I'm going to send a review over here on this business. Okay, let's say here I'm going to give 5-star rating first of all, and I'm going to post the review as I love the service. Okay, I'm going to post it and we have posted the review. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect. Now we are going to click on save and send test request button. And over here the response is received. So here in the response we have received the updated time. That means at which time and the date the account is updated. Here we have the rating which the customer has given 5. Then we have the profile URL. Okay, the reviewer profile URL. We have the name of the reviewer. We have the reviewer ID. Okay, we have the name, that means the ID of the review. We have the created time and date and the comment which I have received. Now my objective is that as I have received this, I want to send a reply to this particular review. So what I will do, I will just generate the reply with the help of Gemini. Let's go towards our action step. Our action application will be Google AI Studio, that is Gemini, and our action event will be to generate the content. Let's click on connect. Now to build the connection, we have two options over here, add new connection and select existing connection. In case if you already have an existing connection, just quickly go with that. But to create a new connection, I'm going to show you what you have to do. You have to go towards add new connection and then you have to provide API key. And how you're going to get this API key? For that, you have to follow the instructions given over here. Just log into your Google Gemini account and then you have to click on the hyperlink Google AI Studio. It is going to take you towards Google AI Studio. From here, you are going to generate your key. So I'm going to click on this hyperlink directly. It has taken us towards Google AI Studio. Now over here we are going to generate the key. So we have to click on this get API key button and then we have to click on create API key. For creating the API key, you have to create certain projects. I have already created the project, so I'm going to select my existing project over here and then we'll click on create API key in existing project. The key is ready. Let's copy it and we'll move back to paste it over there inside Pabbly. Okay, I've pasted the key. Then I'm going to click on save. And as we've done that, the connection between Google AI Studio and Pabbly Connect is built successfully. Now we need to move forward. First of all, it is asking us the text models and the methods. We have to enter the details in these fields to generate the content according to our choice. So the very important step in order to generate the content is text, providing the prompt or the command to Gemini that what we actually wanted to do for us, because my objective is to generate the replies for the reviews or the feedbacks which I have received from Google Business Profile by the customers. So over here the prompt will be related to generating the reply. So here I'm going to enter the prompt as, so this is the prompt I have given to Gemini. Generate a reply for the review I have received for my restaurant chain Parampara by a customer through Google Business Profile. I have explained that what I actually want. Then I am going to provide the review which I have received as well as the rating which I have received. I have also included the instructions that I do not want any kind of extra symbols or space in my reply because I just want to directly post it on the review. Okay. In the similar manner, according to the content which you want, all the details which you want or all the details which you do not want, you have to decide the text and you have to enter it over here. Then now here we are going to enter the review. Actually we are automating the entire process, so we are not going to change the reviews which we are receiving every time. What we are going to do, instead of entering the review manually, we will simply map the review which we have received. So here we have the review from the previous step. I have selected it and it is mapped. In the similar manner, I am going to map the rating as well. So when I have mapped these details, they have become dynamic. With each and every new response now, they are going to replace. So now whenever a new review will be received by a customer for our business on Google Business Profile, automatically the details which we have mapped over here, such as the review and the rating, are going to replace with the new reviews. And in this way, we are going to automate the entire process of generating the replies for each of the comment. Then it is asking us the model. Which model are you going to use for generating the content? So I'm going to use model Gemini Pro. Then here the method is already selected as content generation, generate content. Okay, let's click on save and send test request button. The response is received and over here we have the reply. An amazing reply is generated. Thank you for your kind words and 5-star rating. We are thrilled to hear that you had a wonderful experience with our service. Now I'm going to post the same reply on the review which we have received. So for that we are going to click on this add action step button. Once again we have to build the connection between Google Business Profile and Pabbly Connect. So let's select that quickly. For the action event, I'm going to select create reply. Let's click on connect as we have already built the connection. So let's go with existing connection. And over here it is asking us the review name and the reply. First of all, I'm going to map the reply which is generated. And you can see as I have included that I do not want any kind of extra space or the symbol. So it has not included that. And also because I have mentioned about the star rating which I have received. So here it has included about that as well. Now here it is asking us the review name. So here how we are going to provide the review, we have received in our earlier step the ID of the review as well as the reviewer. We will turn this mapping button on and we will simply map that ID over here. Here we have it, name. Okay. So this is our review name. Now we are going to click on save and send test request button. The reply is posted. So I'm going to take you towards my Google Business Profile account now. And over here you can see that this is the review which I have posted with my account, and over here we have the automated reply. Okay, this means that the connection is built successfully. So now whenever a new review will be posted on our Google Business Profile account for our business, automatically reply will be generated for that same review and it will be posted automatically on the review. Now apart from this, I also want to inform my team, my marketing team, that the reviews which I am receiving as well as the ratings which we are receiving for our business, because customer feedback is really important to be noticed. And in this way, when I'm going to inform to my team members about each of the ratings and each of the review, they are going to work on it. If we are having any deviations regarding the services, we can improve on it. Okay, so let's click on this add action step button. And now because my team community is on Google Chat, so I will have to build the connection between Google Chat and Pabbly Connect. So this is my Google Chat with the name as marketing team. This is my Google Chat space. I'm going to set up the connection between Google Chat and Pabbly Connect now. So let's select that quickly. Our action event will be to create a message over there. So let's click on connect. Now to build the connection, we have to provide a chat webhook URL. How we are going to get that? For that, we have to click on this hyperlink given over here, learn more, which is going to take us towards Pabbly support forum page. Over here, when we will scroll down, you will find all the instructions which we have to follow for setting up the connection. First of all, we have to copy the avatar URL given over here. So I'm going to copy it. We'll move back towards the Google Chat space. We have to go towards the name of the space and we have to click on apps and integrations. Now here we are on the webhook option, so we have to click on add webhook button, and you have to first of all provide a name to the webhook. The name is going to be displayed every time a message will be sent on the Google Chat space from the bot which we are setting up. So you have to give the name according to that. So here I'm going to give new review alert, and in the avatar URL field I'm going to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly forum page. As we have done that, let's click on save. And over here we have successfully created the webhook with the name as new review alert. Here we have the webhook URL. So let's copy the link of this chat webhook URL and we will paste it over here in the given field. Turn the connection is built. Then it is asking us the message which you want to send. So here I'm going to forward the reviews and the ratings to my team. So here I'm going to enter the message as: hello team, we have received a new review on Google Business Profile from one of our customer. Here are the details, comment, ratings. Please check and save the details for future. The reply is already sent. So now once again, I'm going to map the comment which I have received and the rating as well. Okay, done. Let's click on save and send test request button. And over here we have received the response. It is saying that the message is sent. So the bot is successfully created, and now every time a new review will be received, automatically the message will be sent on our team, on our Google Chat space, that the review is this. Okay, so I'm going to take you towards my space now. And over here we have the message. Hello team, we have received a new review on Google Business Profile. So this is the entire message. This means that the connection is already built and the workflow is also running fine. So what we have done, let's quickly summarize. We have taken very simple steps. We have taken Google Business Profile in our trigger step, and once again we have taken Google Gemini, Google Business Profile and Google Chat Hangout in actions. We have set up the connection between these applications in such a way that now for our business, every time we are going to receive a new review by a customer on Google Business Profile, automatically the content will be generated, the reply will be generated for that same review with the help of Gemini, and automatically the reply will be posted on that same review. Afterwards, automatically as soon as the reply will be posted, the same message will also be sent to our team members that the review is received on Google Chat space. So in the similar manner, you can also manage your customers' engagement effectively with the help of this amazing automation, so that you can just reply to your customers in the personalized format for each of their reviews and enhance their engagement. I hope this amazing automation is clear to you and it is helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate multiple such amazing applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any doubt, you can write us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask about the pricing, you can visit this website given over here. Do not forget to share our videos, like our video, and also subscribe our channel for more such amazing automations.